Watch your fingers. Let Mommy get it. Watch your fingers. I've got a knife in my hand, so be very careful. Somebody pooted.
Daddy.
No.
Oh! What are those things? Animal crackers. Oh. Wait, does it have a name on it?
Yeah.
Jack. This is for Jack. That's for Harper. This one's Harper's. You open that one. This one's for Momo.
Jack, yours is behind you, bud. What'd you get, Marley?
I got Hello Kitty. I want this, Mama.
Okay. Oh, what else do you have?
Marley, can you read your card?
What is your
Ooh.
card say?
All right, Mommy and Daddy can go out to eat.
I got more money. I got some.
What's this, Jack? Look.
Jack.
Can I see? Can I see?
Stickers.
I got some cards.
Yay!
This is for Possum.
That's for Possum.
I
We're
love
eating
this.
the-
It's Princess.
Marley.
I like Princess. Oh!
For a sweet girl, Harper, look. Look, it's got gymnastics on the front.
Can I see?
I think that was meant for another girl. I don't know a sweet one in here.
Harper, what did you get? Who gave you this?
Yeah.
Nana gave you money.
Everybody look at the
Look at
camera and say,
thank you, Nana.
thank you, Nana. Harper, you didn't say it.
Thank you, Nana, to Daddy.
Okay, thank you, Nana.
All right.